everyone, it's Natasha of natashaskitchen.com, and on this episode, I'm going to show you how to make a party favorite. You will love the flavor, texture, and how easy these are. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we'll start with the easy crust. This recipe makes 24 mini cheesecakes, so line your cupcake pan with 24 liners. Crush 12 whole graham crackers to make 1.5 cups of crumbs. Add 6 tablespoons of melted butter and half a teaspoon of cinnamon and stir well to combine. Once the crumbs are evenly moistened, divide them between your 24 cupcake liners, adding about 1 tablespoon to each. Push the crumbs into the base and slightly up the sides using a small spoon or your fingers. And there's no need to pre-bake the crust, so it doesn't get any easier than this. To make the cheesecake filling, all you need are 3 ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, combine 16 ounces of softened cream cheese with 3 large eggs at room temperature. Use an electric hand mixer to beat those together for 5 minutes on high speed or until blended and smooth, scraping down the bowl as needed. And here is the secret ingredient. Add a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk and continue mixing that on low speed for 2 minutes or until well blended. It should be completely smooth without any lumps. Now divide between the cupcake liners, filling each about 3/4 full. Using a leveled ice cream scoop with a trigger release makes this process so easy. Now bake those at 350 degrees Fahrenheit in the center of your oven for 15 minutes. When they're done, they should be set with a very slight jiggle in the center. If you notice them start cracking in the oven, pull them out so they don't overbake. Let the cheesecakes cool completely to room temperature in the pan, then spoon over 1/2 to 1 tablespoon of homemade caramel sauce. I'll leave a link to our salted caramel sauce in the notes below. Refrigerate those for 2 hours, then make the easy whipped cream. In a large mixing bowl, combine 1 cup of cold heavy whipping cream, a tablespoon of sugar, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Beat those together with an electric mixer on high speed for 2 minutes or until whipped and fluffy. Transfer that to a piping bag fitted with a closed star tip and divide the cream evenly over your 24 cheesecakes. Adding that swirl of whipped cream makes these feel really fancy and classy. Oh shoot. Am I really gonna run out of whipped cream? Nobody saw. Whoops. Probably was a little too generous with those first ones. Yeah. Okay, and just for a little bit of garnish on top, I love to sprinkle on some cinnamon. And don't go crazy with this, you just need a little bit. And I'm gonna use my cinnamon wand. This thing's fun. For powdered sugar too. Okay, here we go. Just a little bit. But it makes these look so fancy and pretty. And last but not least, I want to eat one of these, so let's get right into the taste test. Okay. They all look amazing. It's hard to choose. Okay, here we go. One with a lot of caramel because I love the caramel. This one. This one, this one. Oh my goodness, these are such a treat in fall. Ooh, and they're perfect for parties because as you can see, it makes a big batch. And perfect for me. Oh my goodness, look at this. The layers look amazing. And you can serve them in the wrapper or take the wrapper off, whatever you like. Oh my, come to mama. These are so good. It really is just like a mini cheesecake. The texture is amazing. Velvety smooth, creamy. Tastes like a mini New York cheesecake. And they're so easy. You really can't beat this. And then that big poof of whipped cream on top makes these so special. Yum. I think I'm gonna add a little more caramel sauce because, wow, this caramel sauce, I'm telling you guys, it is really, really, really good. Homemade, so you know exactly what goes into it. And I will share a link to the recipe below. You think that's enough? I think it's enough. You can't see the whipped cream anymore, but okay, I have to bite it again because I can't not bite that. Seriously? I feel like things are about to get inappropriate, so I better go eat this over there. Wow, if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a great big thumbs up below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Hey, before you go, if you're looking for more easy, party-friendly desserts, check these out right over here and there, and click below to subscribe. And when you do, make sure you click that little bell icon so you'll get notifications every time we post a new recipe. Thanks for watching.